Good morning students, my name is Shashank Verma and today I am going to discuss chapter 5 revision, that is basic geometrical ideas. So student, in previous video we discussed some type of angle like acute, obtuse, straight, reflex, clear? Or we also discussed isosceles triangle, scalene triangle and equilateral triangle, clear na? So all things are clear. Now here we will discuss about some revolution. Is that clear student? So what is the meaning of revolution? Here first we will discuss revolution. So revolution means जैसे our earth revolves around the sun. Our earth revolves around the sun. तो sun जैसे if this is our जैसे this is sun तो our earth revolves around the sun. ठीक है ना? Our earth revolves around the sun. Clear? So here this is our revolution. Revolution means movement around a circular path. Movement around the circular path. Clear student? So this is our circular path. So similarly, as we know that, जैसे if you know that about clock, if this is our clock, ठीक है ना? तो clock always revolves in a circular path and one full revolution equal to what? 360. You know that very well. How 360 degree? देखो, here I am going to explain students. जैसे you know that this is the type of what? This is the type of straight angle, and the value of this is what? 180 degree. And in other language, you can say this is our half revolution. Half revolution. Is that clear? If I join both in upside and downside, this is also 180 degree. This is also half revolution. यानी full revolution is equal to sum of two half revolution. Clear to everyone? यानी one full revolution equal to sum of two half revolution. अब you know that the sum of two half revolution equal to 180 plus 180. This is one half revolution. This is another half revolution. So this will become what? This will become 360. Is that clear? यानी one full revolution is equal to 360. I think now you are able to understand. Clear student? Again, देखो. This is our straight line. This is what? This is half revolution. यानी half revolution means straight angle at 180 degree, and this is our full revolution. So 180 will become 360. Same concept will apply on our clock. देखो, our clock is given. Clear? This is 12, 6. 3, 9. तो see, our clock moves like this, ऐसे in a circular path, ठीक है ना? यानी this also complete a full revolution. यानी one full revolution will be equal to what? 360 degree. Is that clear, everyone? Okay. So now, or one important thing, student. Again, if this is our clock, 12, 6, 3, 9. Let us assume 1. So always remember. Always see the angle between hour and minute. The angle between hour and minute will always be equal to 30 degree. यानी the angle between hour and minute at every hour form angle of 30 degree. यानी 12 to 1 30 degree, 1 to 2 30 degree, 2 to 3 30 degree. Is that clear? यानी angle made between minute hand and hour hand at every hour will be equal to 30 degree. Clear to everyone? Okay. चलो. Now come to the question. जैसे question of first A exercise 5.2 is given. देखो what is given student? It is given question number A 3 to 9. You have to go 3 to 9. You have to find out what? You have to find out fraction. अब you know that fraction you have to find out according to 360 degree, because you know that one full revolution equal to 360 degree. Clock revolves full revolution. Clear river? अब देखो what? देखो 3 to 9. So you know that 3 to 9 how many steps will go? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here I am writing only explanation. देखो 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. अब you have to count how many steps, student? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. Because you have to go 3 to 9 na, so 3 to 9 you will go. First you will go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. यानी total student 6 step you will follow. Clear? अच्छा, you know that the angle between hour and minute end will be 30 degree at every hour. So you know that 6 step यानी 6 hour यानी total angle will be equal to 6 into 30. Clear everyone? So this will come what? 180 degree. Is that clear? यानी total angle you will obtain 180 degree. Clear? Okay. Now you have to find out number of steps. Sorry, 6 steps is given ना? तो हाँ ठीक है. This is angle 180. अब you have to find out fraction. You have to find out fraction. अब you know that fraction you have to find out because one full revolution equal to 360 degree. So you will obtain in 360 degree. So 180 will write down because 180 is what? Our angle in 60 step and 360 will write down denominator. So 0 0 cancel. 18 1 is 18, 18 2 is 60. So here fraction is 1/2. Clear everyone? I think now this is clear. Now again take another example, student. This is very easy. देखो second example. 7 to 10. 7 to 10. अब देखो student 7 to 10 you can count 8 9 10. Total number of steps. Number of steps equal to 3. Okay, अब angle you have to find out ना, तो you know that one step 30 degree at every hour, so 3 multiplied by 30 it will come what? 90 degree. Clear? अब fraction you have to find out. Fraction you have to find out ना, तो fraction 90 is given and one full revolution 360. 360 is given. 1 0 1 0 cancel. 90 1 is 90, 94 9 4 is 36. देखो very easy. 1/4 is your fraction. What I explained? 7 to 10 count step 3 step. One step consists 30 degree. Clear? So 30 degree. अब 33 is 90. Now we have to find out fraction. 90 upon 360 student. Clear? This will come 1/4. Clear students? Okay student. Now move to the next question. Next question is given, question number 2. Question number 2 is given, start 12 and make half revolution. You have to find out time. 12 and half revolution. देखो बेटा, 12 and half revolution is given. You have to find out what? You have to find out time. देखो, तो half revolution is half into 360. Okay, अब this will become what? 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16, 0. यानी 180 degree. Clear everyone? अब 180 degree यानी after 12 you have to cover 180 degree. 180 degree means you have to find out number of steps. So number of steps, write down number of steps. Number of steps, how to find out? 180. Can you tell me by which number you will divide? So I think you are able to understand. You will say sir, we will divide by 30. Why? Because at every hour there is angle of 30 degree. So number of steps divide by 30 because 180 is total degree. So 0 0 cancel 6. यानी total number of steps equal to what? 6 steps. यानी after 12 you have to move 6 steps. After 12 you have to move 6 steps. Is that clear? अब देखो बेटा. After 12 plus 6 steps. तो after 12 count 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. यानी your time is 6:00. Clear everyone? I think now you are able to solve the question based on this. चलो, one other example I am going to take. One other example. चलिए. And rest of question you will do yourself. Next example is given 2 and make half revolution. 2 and half revolution. Clear? अब half revolution is so that 1/2 into 360. Revolution is 360. तो 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16 is 0. Again 180 degree students. अब number of steps simply find out number of steps. तो देखो always you have to divide by 30 degree because I explained at every hour there is an angle of 30 degree. तो 180 degree upon 30 degree. So 30 6 या 180 again 6 steps यानी 2 plus 6 steps. Is that clear? देखो बेटा अब 2 plus 6 steps 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 यानी what will come 8 o'clock. Clear student? This is our solution of question number 2. Is that clear student? So rest of question student you will do yourself. I think now you are able to solve the question based on this. One other concept I am going to explain and we will discuss next question based on this. देखो this is given east, west, north, south. Clear? देखो बेटा at every this is the angle of north to east 90 degree, east to south 90 degree because you know that the concept of 90 degree this is make 90 degree. देखो same diagram east to south 90, south to west 90, west to north 90. तो if I want to know कि north to east how many right angle, you will say sir only one right angle. Clear? If I want to know north to south how many right angle, you can say 90 plus 90 यानी 2 right angle. If I want to know, देखो this is clockwise. You know that clock moves like that and anti-clock means opposite direction. Means clock right hand side and anti-clockwise left hand side. तो देखो if I want to know north from north, देखो from north to west anti-clockwise anti. Find the number of right angle. What you will say, देखो north to west if you have to go clockwise you will go like that. Clockwise, but if you have to go anti-clockwise, you will go from that side. So देखो north to west. How many right angle? Anti-clockwise, only one right angle. But if I want to know कि north to west, how many right angle? Clockwise. So what you say? So clockwise, first right angle, second right angle, third right angle. यानी 3 right angle. So there is a difference issue. Clear? You have to understand clockwise and anti-clockwise. If in question nothing is mentioned, you have to solve the question according to clockwise. But if it's mentioned anti-clockwise, you have to solve the question according to anti-clockwise. Clear student? So now I think you are able to understand the clockwise means right hand side, anti-clockwise means left hand side. Acha, if I want to know कि north to north clockwise, what you will say? How many right angle? देखो north to north. Clockwise or anti-clockwise, everything will be same. Why? Because north to north if you move clockwise then full revolution यानी 360 degree यानी 4 right angle. फिर north to north anti-clockwise again full revolution यानी 360 degree यानी north to north always 4 right angle. Clear student? So now for today you have to solve all the questions based on this. In next video we will discuss the next question. Thank you students.